Everything is here. The swimming pool, the kids club, the trampoline. Honestly, my girls are just bursting.
You've got the children in a safe environment, activities, sports facilities. There's a lot to discover.
As kids, they've just really grown up this week. We've had such a good time making friends with the kids, but equally they've learnt some new skills and really challenged themselves.
As a parent, you tend to get zero time for yourself because they are so occupied. We've had that time.
Whether you want to go off for a hike or whether you want to hire a mountain bike, you just want to get stuck in.
And plus we've had great food. That's a massive bonus for us on a holiday.
Hotels are a bit generic for us. We've got a cabin here in the woods that's really peaceful and we're in our own space.
Lauren hadn't been to Eurocamp before. She's seen how beneficial it is for the kids and how much they really enjoy themselves.
Time is something that you can't buy. You only get 18 years, 18 summer holidays or 18 Easter holidays. You've got to make them special.
It's nice to spend time together because we've been able to do activities that everyone enjoys. That's brought us together.